Welcome to RV and Travel Adventures. My name is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Hope you're doing absolutely fantastic wherever you're at. In this video, I'm doing the second video on this product. It's called the Kedsum, and it's designed to carry 600 pounds. That's a lot of weight. So my wife and I are already planning to use this to move stuff around the house because we're in the process of moving. We're hoping to move in the summer, come the summer of 2026, if everything goes according to plan. And you know how plans go. They go absolutely flawlessly all the time. So this is it set up a certain way, okay? Let me just go through the different iterations, how it works, etc., etc. First of all, the platform is this very hard plastic, and then you have metal bars right here. Plastic, okay? So there's this contrivance over here where you lift it up and it no longer becomes only vertical. It moves like this and like that. Again, let me just move this down. Oops, there we go. Fits very nicely in these little areas there. Oh, there it snapped. Wow. So it moves rather readily. And also you can have it a little bit shorter. If you have shorter items, you can have it like this. So it goes out and goes in. And it moves around like a piece of cake, okay? And of course, this is at the maximum. They have little things right here that stop it from going down. But you can press them and you can go next spot here. Go down a little further. And there you are. There you are. And if you want to put it away, all you have to do is, first of all, get this out of the way. It's right now locked vertical, and you put it down just like that. So now, hey, I can play the accordion, can't I? So there it is, compact. I estimate it's about a good 18 inches by about a foot. So these wheels right here move. These wheels right here move. These just go one direction only. This can go, anywhere you want. So, again, this is my second video on the product. I just wanted to share some more details. I've been using it for a while. Moving boxes from one room to another room. Instead of lifting it, I just wheel it around, which is a lot of help. So let me deploy it again, like that. And then it's locked right here. And then I lift it up like this, and I press this button, and it's at the top. And I can move it around. Again, this is my little workspace, my second kitchen, I call it. Moves very nicely. And then, of course, like I said earlier, this little area here goes up and down, and you can lock it in the little groove. And there, now you have it vertical. And you're set. Wow, isn't that fun? And of course it goes like that. So let me move this to the side, finish this video. Thanks for watching my video on the Kedsum 600 pound capacity, a little hand truck. And it's very portable, very compact, easy to carry around. You can move from room to room, carry stuff. Again, it's 600 pounds. 600 pounds of stuff. They make smaller ones, more, like 270 pounders that carries, less stuff. For me, this is a little bit of overkill. Personally, I don't have anything that weighs 600 pounds. Even if I had 4 or 5 boxes up to the ceiling, it wouldn't weigh 600 pounds. I could use something a little bit lighter, but I'll leave links in the description for both. One that I recommend, which is a little bit easier to manage, because it's lighter, all aluminum construction, and it can carry only like about under 300 pounds. This one carries twice as much. Significant. You can carry a lot of stuff. Again, I'll leave links in the description. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can always contact the manufacturer. I'll leave a link also to the manufacturer. Thank you very much. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza talking about the Kedsum, portable, compact, 600 pound capacity hand truck. Very nice and very useful around the house. It's not designed, I don't think, for outdoor use, and you can carry it to the airport, but it's a little bulky unless you're willing to pay for the extra bulk. And of course, every time you go to the airport, they say, hey, let's weigh this. Okay, you can pay 50 bucks more, which is the price of this, you know, currently on the market. I think it's about 42, 43, 44 bucks, 45 bucks. It's rather inexpensive. Thanks for watching my video. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it. And leave your kind and friendly comments below. Abajo. Muchos, muchísimos gracias. And check out my Patreon page, patreon.com/JMMGarza. And if you want to become a member of this channel, there's some information around the periphery and also in the description. And I would greatly, greatly appreciate it if you become a member of this channel. You get access to early release of my videos. Pretty much all my videos are released hours, if not days ahead of time for only members. And you can get that privilege. You also get a little badge. Yes, you get some stinking badges. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to ring the bell for future notifications. And of course, like I said earlier, check out my photography page. No, I didn't say that earlier. If you have time, check out my photography page, rvta.myportfolio.com. This is Jesus Manuel Mena-Garza in his utility kitchen. This is a kitchen I do a lot of my work in. And I like this device. It's going to save me a lot of hassle. My wife's going on 70 years old in a few months, and I'm going to be going 73, and we don't want to carry the lift. Oh, our backs aren't as good as we used to have, and we'd rather use this. Put the box here, lift it up 3 inches, put it up on here, and just drag it wherever we want in the house. That's also a lot of fun. Thanks for watching my video. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena-Garza in Fort Worth, Texas. Gracias. Of course, I'll have links in the description for this product and other products by Kedsum. You're welcome. Again, gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.